Lemon is a beautiful fruit that has many benefits. It contains pectin fiber, which helps you lose weight and improves digestion. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your body from free radicals. Lemons also have alkalizing properties and help neutralize acidity and inflammation. Drinking lemon juice mixed with warm water every morning helps restore your skin's glow and freshness due to its vitamin C content. Drinking it with cold water has been proven to increase weight loss because of its fat-flushing ability. It also improves digestion, boosts metabolism and detoxes your entire system of toxins. Lemon contains many nutrients. Lemon contains many nutrients that can be beneficial for your health. For example, the vitamin C in lemons is good for the immune system and skin, while calcium and magnesium are used to maintain bone health. Lemon also offers potassium, which helps balance blood pressure by dilating blood vessels. 2 lemons contain pectin fiber, which helps to lose weight. Pectin is a soluble fiber that helps to reduce your appetite and improve digestion. It also helps in lowering cholesterol, blood sugar levels and weight loss. Lemons are rich in pectin fiber, which can help you lose weight by making you feel complete for extended periods. In addition, lemons have high levels of vitamin C, further enhancing their anti-obesity properties. 3 lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your body from free radicals. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps the body fight off free radicals, molecules that can damage cells. Free radicals cause oxidative stress in the body and can lead to chronic inflammation. In addition, vitamin C has been shown to help reduce oxidative stress associated with aging, heart disease and stroke risk by protecting your arteries from fatty buildup. Lemons contain several forms of vitamin C, including ascorbic acid, the most common form, malate dehydrogenase or MDA, a second type, and oxalate esterase or ODE, a third type. 4 lemons are alkalizing to the body and help neutralize acidity and inflammation. Lemons are alkalizing to the body and help neutralize acidity and inflammation. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which helps with vital immune system function and hair growth. Studies have shown that taking lemons can help with many health issues, including heartburn, constipation, diarrhea, constipation, stomach bloating. 5 lemon helps you to digest food properly and cleanse your system by flushing out unwanted materials. Lemon is known for its acidic properties and ability to help you digest food. It has a high amount of citric acid, which helps break down carbohydrates in your meals. This means that lemon juice can help you eliminate unwanted materials from your stomach by flushing them out. When taken regularly, lemon helps cleanse the system by flushing out unwanted materials from the body. This results in better absorption of nutrients through the digestive tract, which improves health overall. 6 Drinking lemon juice with warm water every morning helps restore your skin's glow and freshness due to its vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair the damage from free radicals. It also helps to prevent wrinkles and dark spots and even out your skin tone. To get the most benefit from vitamin C, you should drink lemon juice with warm water every morning before breakfast. This will help restore your skin's glow and freshness due to its vitamin C content. 7 Lemon juice also helps relieve heartburn and indigestion, soothes an upset stomach, ulcers, sore throats and mouth sores, relieves the symptoms of colds and flu, and reduces fever. Lemon juice is also a good remedy for heartburn and indigestion. In addition, it helps to soothe an upset stomach, relieves the symptoms of colds and flu, reduces fever and eases muscle pain. If you are suffering from a sore throat or mouth sores, try drinking a glass of lemon water first thing in the morning before breakfast. You should be able to feel it working within minutes. 8 Drinking lemon juice mixed with water helps relieve gout pain by eliminating excess uric acid in the joints, which is what causes gout. One of the most common symptoms of gout is joint pain. This is because your body produces excess amounts of uric acid, which crystallizes in the joints and causes pain. Taking lemons helps eliminate excess uric acid from your body by flushing out through your kidneys. This can help reduce swelling and inflammation in your joints, ultimately decreasing gout symptom severity. It's also important to note that drinking lemon juice mixed with water doesn't just relieve symptoms and promotes healthy digestion and lowers cholesterol levels. 9 Lemon juice mixed with cold water has been proven to increase weight loss because of its fat-flushing ability. It also improves digestion, boosts metabolism and detoxes your entire system of toxins. Lemon juice is a fat-flushing agent. It helps to detox the body and boost metabolism, improving digestion in the process. Lemon juice mixed with cold water has been proven to increase weight loss because of its fat-flushing ability. It also improves digestion, boosts metabolism and detoxes your entire system of toxins. Conclusion. We hope you now know the many benefits of lemon in your life, and we wish you good health.